Nge temo jima pat me nge che kum jima dio vuli kumala me Uganda grupa bulu mogo gitie mago chako goyo chal magyan ge wajani enno be konyo gito twal michwalo duan ge wago. Mulinde matie ka fonyo bulu maromo gen piera rio wachi gen ge chako fonyo bulu kit magyan ge romo lok kwede ikum jima mago ge chalo kwan kuro me gang kidong jimo kenne magyan ge tamane kaki goyo kichel weko dana mapol neno chiwi gi kupe ki ngoma miro gen ge tim. The church pa Wan Luo Tv Ismail Jacob Jones obere chokki Mulinde gen go nyao lok wanen ko ngo ma enokate kwede.
Kenneth Mulinde mati youth advocate bot tool me education above dak bene tika teach bot tool me action aim wajani meno gen gitama ne mir gen kiti ki chil agoya ma chalo yo chil me mi ngej ma pol ilak ba dak lokom ko mai an.
We are doing a campaign called Unite to Protect Education, which is a commitment by United Nations member states under the UN Security Council Resolution 2601 that is speaking towards the protection of education from attack. So we are empowering young people with skills in creative advocacy, where they use the art as a communication tool to advocate on key issues in their communities.
Mulinde wajani tiki gan matekral kache gen gi goyo chel kit man romo teach ma betutan me mi ngej matut ikom kwan palotino anyera.
We have seen how art in all its many forms can be used as a communication tool to communicate issues of importance on public service delivery and gender responsive education, inclusivity, affordability, so that we share how we feel when we don't get enough in education services. So we have been painting a mural where young people have voiced their needs and their demands, what they think should change when it comes to education. And one of the key issues they have identified is that our education system has for many years been discriminating against the girl child.
Kitung bot en tuta me megi me teach ki jemi agoya meng mi ngej bot wang lok madak lokoma pora ikin la cho nyo dako bi konyo matek tol me ilo kwan palotina anyera matinum.
So the public mural that has been painted here will be showcased at the global space during the World Cup 2022 in Qatar, where the Unite to Protect Education campaign will be taking place. So today we are going to the community center where people are going to add messages to this mural. We have done our part, but we are allowing them also to voice their demand, what they think should be done when it comes to gender responsive education.
Evelyn Laruni, Program Manager Padulme Waiteka, Peace and Development Initiative Uganda, Jai Ofiji Megulu, wadri mena gen ki moko ni mir kong gen ki ti ki chil agoya. Weko mi ngej lok madak lok kom tim mi koko vot ka bir ma pat mai lobo man.
Kadde ma kita ina time so tin kita tin na joma tinge yani giti kakate ki gen ma woni miro drawing kay nena diere la kena nyaga mo ma ko buke an din mu kene mai neno rumu ni chamu kene mo na je ma weko kwantum tiara nyara bali weko iti nena ti wati break the silence ka ko ti katime gerti katime umero breaking the silence where no tiara nyara makita en ki bet ki kermi ko
la reunion ternim giti ki gan ma tekwan man bu oy vot velo ma papat ka chenen gi kero chel meno inyonyo man me internet
wati ka nene we say no to GBV pian GBV katika time defilement time rep time community na nyama kir eni wero kwan gi balle ti wamira mi yobena gema wayne equal opportunity wobe ka nyara we mer bet ki kero ni accessing a kwan were no dana won wor ka chel wek don lo betie were ka bermu rumwa bet ma
eno wajani meno miyo ngej ki ken machalo lok ki bodwa ginoni petika nyako nyigem pi Lok Angeya Ma Ocwiny pi Wan Luo TV Igulu City and Ismail Jacob Jones.